Here's my Harbor Freight electric chainsaw, which I've modified the battery. I got inside the battery and connected some wires up to the battery. Put me a plug on it and busted up a whole bunch of these Dell laptop batteries and put them all together so I could get 40 volts and tie it in with the 40-volt battery. So it makes the chainsaw run longer. It works good. This electric chainsaw works as good as the gas. It's got plenty of power. Oops, forgot. Here we go. Try not to cut concrete here. There we go. Not bad. The original battery has 2.5 amp hours, and these batteries here